ora, it's Aotearoa FM. We're over here at the Māoriland Film Festival in Ōtaki for the E Tū Whānau Rangatahi Film Awards. It's been an awesome morning, so haere mai.
Kia ora tātou katoa, ko Oriwa tōku ingoa he uri tēnei no Ngāti Raukawa ki te tonga no Ngāti Kapua no Hoki. I am a long-standing member of Ngā Pakiaka, the rangatahi side of the Māoriland Film Festival. We go all around the motu facilitating workshops for rangatahi on how to make films. These workshops are called E Tū Whānau filmmaking workshops. When the rangatahi make these films in these workshops, they get to present them on the big screen at Māoriland Film Festival.
Take a chance, make your dreams happen.
Right, so we're walking and talking now. Everyone's got to get somewhere, okay? While we're walking, I have a bit of a kōrero about the E Tū Whānau Rangatahi Film Festival. You've been involved in this festival for around 6 years, so you're a veteran in the thing. What's your favourite part about it?
My favourite part about working amongst these filmmakers and working as a part of Māoriland Film Festival is definitely, sorry, there's a film screening going. Definitely the people that I meet and the films that I watch. This is a showcase of Indigenous films and Indigenous excellence. It just sort of wakes me up a little bit, you know, and it gets me going in the morning. I'm like, yes, 3 months to the festival, yes, 2 weeks, oh yes, 1 day. Aww. And then I meet all these beautiful people and I get to watch their stories on the big screen and I get to watch them interact in a space that is made for them. And yeah, I guess that's my favourite part, and also contributing to that as well. You know?
Well, it's awesome just seeing you talk about it. You can really see the passion that you have for this mahi. Does it change every year, the calibre of talent?
It does, yeah. So every year we have a new selection of just new, excellent, wonderful films that are made by Indigenous filmmakers. Unfortunately, this year, due to the state of the world and the pandemic, we couldn't have our international filmmakers come to Ōtaki in New Zealand, but they are here at Wairua, and we zoomed them in and we did Q&As with them and we sent them feedback on how much the town of Ōtaki and Aotearoa loved their film. So yeah, it's different every year. It's a different Wairua, eh? Like different films, different people bring a different Wairua, so it's never really the same. But there's still that underlying factor of aroha, manaakitanga, and yeah, Indigenous,
and all the values of
all the values of the Indigenous world, yes. We are here now to showcase some films that have been made and some films that are going to be made as a part of the Ngā Pakiaka Incubator. The Ngā Pakiaka Incubator is sort of a strategy started up by Māoriland to get rangatahi making professional films. It started in lockdown last year and we have made 4 films so far and 5 films so far. And there are 2 left to go. So awesome. That's what we're here for today, whānau. It's pretty exciting, pretty nerve-wracking. But
you're going to be pitching your idea.
Yeah, I'm going to be pitching my feature film.
Kia ora, ko te ore ngātai Melbourne tōku ingoa. He uri tēnei no Ngāti Porou no Ngai Tūhoe. I'm here at Māoriland Film Festival and I'm a part of the Ngā Pakiaka Incubator, and we are the next generation of storytellers and filmmakers. So the incubator kaupapa is a group of 8 rangatahi Māori who are fortunate enough to write and direct our own films with the help of Māoriland Film Festival. It's a way for us to come up and tell our stories as well. But today we'll be showing my trailer.
Well, can you tell us a bit about your film, E Hoa? E Rangi Rā is the title?
Yeah, so I'm from Te Araroa. And
same. We connected, guys. Connected.
Anyways, so in Te Araroa there was a war that happened and it was the Ngāpuhi raids on Whetū in the 1820s. So I wanted to kind of capture the world in that time, but for tamariki. It's not a true story, but it's based on true events.
Have you seen that the latest Māori film, Cousins?
Yes, I was actually in it.
Oh, were you? Oh, cool! Who did you play?
So I played adult makareta. Have you seen it?
Yeah, I've seen it.
Oh, yeah.
I'm trying to think back. How was the experience?
It was amazing, and especially to work under Briar and Ainsley.
And being a part of telling that type of story must have been amazing.
Oh, hard.
The feeling.
Yeah, but it was actually quite taumaha.
Well, you did an awesome job, E Hoa. It's so cool
thank you.
to see that you're actually in it. I'm asking if you've seen it. She's in it, guys.
ora tātou katoa, nau mai hara mai ki Māoriland, ko Maisie me te kingi aho. I'm an actress and a singer, and I was a part of the 6-week course at Māoriland. So the animation course is a 6-week course that you do, and then you get 12-week work placement. So it's really cool for young rangatahi who are Māori to come into the hub and just do what they want to do with animation.
Now you've given us a little bit of a lowdown on a match. How can people get involved in it?
It's all online at the moment. They give out a survey and just fill it in, and then you get picked out of maybe 30 to 20 kids. Libby Hakaraya is my boss at the moment, so she gets people coming in wanting animation, like little clips, so we just create them for them. So we did one for Oranga Tamariki, and then we did all these, I think there was 8 animations we did, and then they loved them. They absolutely loved them, yeah.
So what are you currently working on?
I'm working on Islands of Mystery, which is on TVNZ on demand, and we're re-versioning it into Reo Māori.
I've seen a few episodes of it, it's so cool.
Yep, so I'm an assistant producer on it, so I cast everyone for the Reo Māori bits. Yeah, it's real cool.
Awesome. And that's all from this 6-week course?
Yep, so actually I do the theme song too. I composed it all into Reo Māori, and I also have a character that I'm voicing in it, which is
cool.
so
What's your character?
Waiana.
Waiana.
Yeah.
Cool. It's gonna be my go-to show now.
In the 6 weeks we had a pitch, so pitching anything really.
Is it to get funding to create your idea?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
And then also to get careers out of it too. So at 4 p.m. we're pitching to all the film industry. We have 2 minutes to do it, so it has to be real quick, and yeah.
Are you ready for yours?
No.
Well, we'll let you go get ready then.
Be brave enough to be better, something new. If your dreams don't scare you, baby.